Hey, yeah, welcome back. Bitcoin Billionaire is with you. So from this link, you can normally download this MetaTrader 4 app and you can install it on your computer. Now in this video, we will see how to install and customize our indicators and templates to our charts and how to use them, to see to find the perfect trade setups, which will only land us into profits. So after downloading the MetaTrader 4 terminal in your laptop, now we will see how to customize our charts. First thing you have to do is go to File and open the data folder. A window will appear. With this video, you will get these two files, .ex4 and .tpl. Browse to MQL4 folder, go to indicators and copy this ex4 file and paste it here. Back, go to templates, copy this TPL file and paste it here. Okay, now we'll close all the tabs. After doing this, restart your MT4. Now right click on the chart, go to template and select game of FOREX. Boom. So this is how you customize your chart. If you have any queries, you can directly reach out to me. Thank you guys.